Hello there, my name's Steve Tyrrell. You join me here in Coventry on the Coventry Canal. Currently refitting the interior of my narrowboat. Today's job's just going to fit some more insulation in the build, nothing big, nothing special. If that's something you might like and you'd like to consider following the journey, click on the subscribe button and click on the thumb icon as well, the bell icon, and every time I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. Anyway, let's get into it. Let's see what we're up to today. Okay, so what I've done, rather than cutting up little bits and putting 2 layers of insulation, as I needed to buy some for these 3 sections of the bilge, I've just gone out and bought one big thick piece. So I now need to cut this up into 3 sections, measuring 41 inches by 21.5 inches. So that's what we'll do now then. Okay, so you can see here what I've been doing so far in the last couple of videos. So the bilge is, I'm trying to get it so it's effectively, I know I'm never going to do it completely, but as best as I can, I'm trying to get it moisture separated from the rest of the boat, so that any warm, moist air up in the top of the boat doesn't go down into the bilge and condensate. So, right, so the job today is, I've done these bilges all the way up to the front there, so I need to do these 3 today. So this one and that one I can almost seal up. I've got to cut the end off one so I can get at the far end. If I just move the rubbish buckets. So under here is where the bilge for the shower pump, the bilge pump for the shower is going to be. So all around that edge behind them boards and around that edge I need to make sure there's gap so that I can run the water pipe, so the wastewater pipe should I say. So I can't take these ones up yet because I haven't got the trap, which has got to sit on the deck on the base plate. So I can seal this one up, and what I think I'll do then is just lay a few of the boards down, give me a rough idea how they're going to look. I can't cut the boards to size yet because I'm still waiting for the delivery of my new saw. I dug my old one out of the garage and it was let's just say it's seen better days, so I bought a new one. Yeah, so let's see how we get on. So the only one I can actually do today, thinking about it, is this one here, because the one in the shower area I can't do until I've got the trap, and then I need to cut holes to fit the shower, the bilge pump and everything in, so, and any water pipes and all that sort of stuff. So I suppose I need to buy the shower and the trap, and then buy all the water pipes, and then I can work out where the pipe's going to go, fit the boards on top, and then screw the pipes into the trap afterwards. Screw the shower base into the trap after. So, right, let's get this one sealed up anyway, and we'll have a look at laying a couple of boards down and see how they look, and then it'll give us a rough idea of where we need to cut them, and then once they're all cut, once the saws come up and cut them all up, get them all the right size and get them fitted down, get them looking perfect, lift them up, seal all the cut edges, put them back down, screw them in, and that's done. So right, let's get on with sealing this one bilge up here for now, and then we'll see where we get on later. I like the look of that. Wow. Gosh, that feels perfect. Go on, Charlie, what do you think? Boss man, what's this? He doesn't want to come in. Wow. Good golly. Don't that look good? Awesome. So I think that's the setup I'm going to use. So first stretch here, second stretch to there, and then the front bit on its own, and then the bathroom on its own. And I wanted to do the front bit on its own as well because that's where the water tank's going to be. So this section of here under the bilge there is going to have its own set of boards. Probably one single board with a nice big hole cut in it for the water tank, under the water tank maybe, somewhere for access. But we'll see. That is... wow, I'm completely over the moon with that. Right, I want to do more. I want to do some more. Let's do some more, hey? Awesome. Well, it's certainly been a long time since I've been able to do this, and it's strange because having the floor down makes the boat look so much bigger, so much wider. Yeah. Wow, that's awesome. I'm so impressed. Charlie likes it, he's walking on it now. So I think this is going to be the setup for the main living area then. 6 boards, that's it, just these can stay now. So yeah, these can stay. And then the front sections I'm going to have separate. I've got to cut them up, and I've still got, if you look down there, look, you can still see that's one of the floors there, look, it hasn't got a wooden runner on it. So there's a couple under there I need to put wooden runners on. So that's my next job, is put wooden runners onto them and then cut the boards to fit in there. Going to be the same again, 3 across. I was going to stagger the joints, these joints here, between the 2 boards, but you know what, I'm not going to bother. I think that looks quite happy as it is. That looks quite good. And there's no bounce in these boards at all. There's absolutely no bounce, even with them not being screwed in. There's no bouncing on whatsoever. They are solid as. And I'm going to have spare boards anyway. I think I might have over ordered. I ordered an extra one for the shower wall over there, I know that, so that can go in there. And I'm going to need one also for when the shower wall comes out. So it's going across there, the shower wall will go, so that's going to be replaced with a board. And I'm going to need a board that goes this way as well to fit the shower against, if that makes sense. So they'll both be phenolic ply, because obviously that's very waterproof. So there you go. Right. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Right, I'm back. My battery went flat, sorry about that. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm going to leave these 6 boards, sorry. What I think I'm going to do is a little shaky. I was watching a live thing, a live Facebook thing with Glenn Warner, and I can't remember the other guys' names. Glenn and Lisa have got a Facebook vlog. Lisa does one called Vloggle, and I can't remember what the other one's called. I will put it down below. I'll put the name down below. I should know it, but off the top of my head I can't think what it is. Anyway, getting sidetracked. Glenn Warner and 3 or 4 other guys were doing a live feed on Facebook, and I was watching them, and Glenn did mention that his sole boards are loose. Well, they're not loose, they're in, but they're not screwed down, so that any time he can lift his boards up and have a look. And I think that's a rather good idea. So what I think I am going to do, because at either side there's going to be the kitchen, and then at the front of the boat there's going to be me loungeette, and the fire's going to be here on the side here as well. So what I am going to do is the outside boards, I'm going to screw them in place. So the two that run down the outside, they're going to get screwed into place. The centre board, for now anyway, I'm going to leave loose, and I'm going to try and get it as tight a fit as I can, so that, you know, it's hard to get the board out. Yeah, because Glenn was saying how nice it is to be able to lift up and get to the bilge anytime he wants and inspect the bilge. So I think for the moment that's what I'm going to do, and I'll leave it loose until I decide to put me top floor on, if I ever do, because I like this floor. I like it a lot. So anyway, I think that'll about do you guys for today. I know it's been a bit of a strange vlog, but you know, we're getting there. So little Charlie boy's here, look. Oh, right, let's have a sit down. You coming up? He's coming up. Go on, you come there. Come on, you come. Jump, jump, jump. There you go. Come on. Right. So star of the show is on my lap. The boss man, he's on my lap, look. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Like I said at the start, if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. More the merrier. Also, comments, love your comments, so make sure you comment down below, and also give the video a thumbs up or give it a thumbs down. Either way, you know, let yourself be known. I'm not biased. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, give us a thumbs down. Happy days. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves, and take care of your families. Me and Charlie, we're going home for a kip because I'm still doing nights. So I'm catching 2 or 3 hours, 4 hours at the boat, and then I'm going home, going to bed, getting up, going to work. So yeah. Anyway, take care. See you. Bye.